Next, we move to knowledge management system. Okay, so what is knowledge management system? It is a collective and individual experience of applying knowledge to solve problems. So in a knowledge management system, so this have the pyramid. Okay, we have wisdom, knowledge, information, and data. So we look at the lower level. So we have data. So data is a discrete elements. Okay, usually involve the numbers, words, code, tables, and databases. Okay, and you can visualize it. Okay, then after you process the data, it become the information. So you design the information, okay, in the sentences, paragraph, equations, concept, ideas, questions, and simple stories. Okay, after you design the information, you map the knowledge. You organize the information, okay, by chapters, by theories, okay, in axioms, okay, conceptual frameworks, okay, complex stories, facts. So we do the interpretation and evaluate. And last, we do the wisdom. We apply the knowledge in a book, in paradigms, in philosophies, in tradition, principles, truth. Okay, so we try to we try to increase our knowledge or in the organization. So the important dimension of knowledge, okay, knowledge is to transform information into knowledge. Firm must expand the additional resources, discover the pattern, rules, and context where knowledge works. Okay, knowledge is a firm asset. It is the intangible asset, so you cannot touch. Okay, so data to information we can use as organizational resources. So they has the different form, either tacit, not documented, or explicit, documented. So it will involve know-how, craft, skill, how to follow procedure, know why, when things happen. Okay. So knowledge has location. So either it is in your mind of human or in the business process. So you try to make it as an evidence. And information is situational. So you know when to perform the procedure and how to apply it. You know when you want to apply. So these are the knowledge business value chain. Okay, so this is the definition. So in the knowledge business value chain, so they have the system. So these are the system involved. Okay, the acquire, store, disseminate, and apply. So these are the activities. Okay, so dia akan jadi bila kita kata chain, maksudnya dia akan berpusing lah. So this is dia akan melalui sistem, activities dan kita dapat feedback. So feedback tu kita akan collect, store and disseminate. So we have three types of knowledge management system. So the first one is enterprise-wide knowledge management system. Okay, it is involve the enterprise content management system, collaboration and social tools, and learning management system. Even you punya island and you future tu, dia adalah a part of learning management system because everything they put in one place, one platform. So enterprise-wide knowledge management system is a general purpose, firm-wide effort to collect, store, distribute, and apply digital content and knowledge. Number two, we have knowledge work system. Okay, in the knowledge work system, usually involve the specialized system built for engineers, scientists, or other knowledge workers. They are expert in that area, okay, and discover and create the new knowledge for a company. So they come up with the new thing, okay, the new thing, the new innovation, the new knowledge. So they can use by using the software CAD, computer-aided design, 3D, virtual reality, and investment workstation. Okay, number three, we have intelligent techniques. So intelligent techniques, it is a tools for discover the pattern and apply the knowledge to discrete decisions and knowledge domains. So it will focus on discovering knowledge, okay, distilling the knowledge, and discovering optimal solutions for problems. Right? So according to Anthony Douglas Williams, knowledge comes from learning. Okay, so you have to learn if you want to be knowledgeable. But wisdom comes from living. So you must have balance. You must have the knowledge. You must have the wisdom. And according to Gerald Cohen, business intelligence is not just about turning data into information, Rather, organizations need the data to impact how their business operates and responds to the changing marketplace. Okay, so with this last slide, so I will end my session for topic 5. So if you have any questions, so you may ask in the Telegram platform. Okay, and then we will discuss about the topic 5 if you have the question. Okay, thank you.